Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to enable pop-up notifications for Snapchat's Audible alerts. If you want to make sure you never miss a Snap or a chat notification by having it pop up right on your screen, this updated step-by-step guide will help you get it set up quickly and easily. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you control all your app behaviors and notifications. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone model, but it should be something similar. Next, scroll through the list of apps and tap on Snapchat. This will take you to all the settings specifically for Snapchat, including permissions and notifications. From there, find and select the Notifications option. Here is where you customize exactly how you want to receive alerts from Snapchat. Now, instead of the general notification settings, tap on Notification Categories. Some apps split their notifications into categories to give you more control over what comes through and how. In Snapchat, you'll find different categories based on the type of notifications you get. Under the General section, look for Audible notifications. This is the setting responsible for the sound alerts you hear when there's a message, a snap, or some other event on Snapchat. Tap on Audible notifications to manage its detailed settings. Finally, you will see an option labeled Show as pop-up. Toggle this setting on. This makes sure your Audible notifications don't just play a sound, but actually appear as a pop-up window on your screen, even if you're multitasking or on other apps. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled pop-up notifications for Snapchat's Audible alerts. This way, you'll get a visual and sound alert instantly, making it much harder to miss anything important from your friends or group chats. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly enhanced Snapchat notifications.